Stop scrolling. What I'm about to show you could literally change your financial future. A company just received $160 million in cash, and it's trading under $5. Another company spent $100 million on acquisitions in just 60 days. Current price? $4. The third? This one company could supply 20% of the entire world's uranium, and you can buy it for $13 right now. If you invested just $1,000 in Netflix in 2010, you'd have $70,000 today. Tesla? That same $1,000 would be worth $150,000. But here's the problem. Those ships have sailed. But what if I told you there are 3 stocks trading under $10 right now that have the same 10x potential by 2026? And they're all Canadian stocks you can start buying today. Now listen carefully. The third stock I'm revealing is an absolute game changer. If you click off this video before I reveal it, you'll regret it. I'm not exaggerating. This could be the biggest opportunity of the decade. Which one am I talking about? You'll have to watch till the end to find out. But I promise you, it'll be worth every second. So if you're serious about building real wealth, smash that like button right now, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I drop videos like this regularly, and you don't want to miss the next one. Now let's dive in. Company number 1, WELL Health Technologies, ticker symbol WELL.TO on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Current price? Around $4 Canadian. Analyst price target? $8.20. That's a potential 100% gain right there. But I think that's incredibly conservative. So what does this company actually do? WELL Health is Canada's largest digital healthcare company. Think of them as the Amazon of healthcare. They operate over 200 medical clinics across Canada. They sell AI-powered healthcare technology. They manage digital patient records, and they provide telehealth services. Basically, they're digitizing healthcare, and they're not just stopping in Canada. They're expanding aggressively into the United States market, which is 10 times bigger. This is a company positioned at the intersection of 2 massive trends, healthcare and technology. Now let's look at what they've been doing recently, and this is where the story gets really interesting. Between December 2024 and January 2025, that's just 2 months, WELL Health made over $100 million worth of acquisitions. They acquired companies like Wisp and Insig. This shows aggressive growth strategy. Their Q3 2024 results? Absolutely crushing it. Record revenue, record EBITDA, 200+ clinics now operational. And here's the kicker. Unlike most growth companies that bleed cash, WELL Health is actually profitable. They're making money while they grow. So where's the 10x potential coming from? 3 major catalysts. Number 1, AI integration. WELL Health is integrating AI-powered diagnostic tools into their clinics.
Healthcare plus AI est quoi la massive opportunity.
Number 2, US market expansion. After dominating Canada, they're now entering the US market, which is literally 10 times larger. If they can replicate even half their Canadian success in America, this stock will moon. Number 3, demographics. The baby boomer generation is aging and needs more healthcare services than ever before. WELL Health is perfectly positioned to capture this demand. Analysts have an $8.20 price target. That's a clean 100% gain. But if this company successfully executes its US expansion and scales its AI solutions, 10x by 2026 is absolutely on the table. The current valuation is dirt cheap compared to American healthcare tech companies. This is a sleeping giant that's about to wake up. Company number 2, BlackBerry. Ticker symbol BB.TO. Current price around $4 to $5 Canadian. Now I know what you're thinking, BlackBerry? That phone company that died. Stop right there. That's the exact mistake most people make, and it's why this is such an incredible opportunity. BlackBerry doesn't make phones anymore. They've transformed into a cybersecurity and IoT software powerhouse, and they're quietly dominating industries you didn't even know they were in. Let me blow your mind with what BlackBerry actually does now. QNX Automotive Software. This is their crown jewel. Listen to this. 255 million cars worldwide are running BlackBerry's QNX software. Mercedes, BMW, Ford, General Motors. They all use BlackBerry QNX. Electric vehicles and autonomous cars? BlackBerry is mission critical. Cybersecurity division. Silence Protect, AI-powered endpoint security. Government and enterprise-level protection. IoT device security for billions of connected devices. Think about this for a second. When your Tesla doesn't crash, when your Mercedes software runs smoothly, when government systems don't get hacked, that's BlackBerry working in the background. They're the invisible giant. Now let me tell you about the strategic moves they just made that could be game-changing. In October 2024, BlackBerry sold their silence business to Arctic Wolf for $160 million in cash plus shares. Now why is this brilliant? $160 million in fresh cash coming into the company. They eliminated a non-core business segment. Now they can laser focus on QNX and IoT, their strongest assets. And the results? They raised their fiscal year 2026 revenue guidance to $531 to $541 million. IoT revenue jumped 13% year-over-year. Cybersecurity up 7%. The company is on track to be profitable in 2026. The stock has already gained 67% in the past year, but this is just the beginning. Here's where the 10x comes from. The autonomous vehicle revolution. By 2026 to 2030, self-driving cars will go mainstream. Every single one needs software like QNX. BlackBerry is already inside 255 million vehicles. Imagine when that number doubles or triples. The IoT explosion. Billions of devices are getting connected to the internet. They all need security. BlackBerry is positioned perfectly. The EV takeover. Electric vehicles are software-defined. BlackBerry's QNX is already the industry standard. Current market cap? Under $3 billion. If they capture even a fraction of the autonomous vehicle market, this could easily become a $30+ billion company. This is the most undervalued software play in the market right now. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Company number 3. The game changer. The potential monster. NexGen Energy. Ticker symbol NXE.TO. Current price approximately $13 Canadian. Now I know, that's slightly above $10. But before you click away, hear me out. Because this $13 stock could hit $100 plus by 2026, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Analyst price target? $16. But I think that's hilariously conservative. Let me explain the uranium story, and you'll understand why this could be the investment of the decade. First, you need to understand what's happening with uranium right now. Nuclear energy is making the biggest comeback in history. Why? Climate change. Nuclear is clean, carbon-free energy. Governments worldwide are desperate for clean power. AI and data centers. ChatGPT, AI models, data centers. They consume massive amounts of electricity. Nuclear is the only solution that can provide this much power 24/7. Energy independence. Countries want to control their own energy supply. Nuclear gives them that. The numbers are insane. China is building 150 nuclear reactors. The United States is restarting old nuclear plants. Europe is embracing nuclear again after years of resistance. Result? Uranium demand is exploding. Supply? Severely limited. And that's where NexGen comes in. NexGen Energy is developing the Rookie project, specifically something called the Arrow deposit. Let me hit you with some numbers that will blow your mind. 256.7 million pounds of uranium reserves. This is the highest grade uranium deposit in the entire world. Location? Saskatchewan, Canada, one of the most politically stable mining jurisdictions on Earth. Here's the crazy part. This one project could supply 20% of global uranium demand after 2026. Think about that. One company. 20% of the world's uranium. That's insane market power. Recent developments that prove this is real. October 2025, raised $950 million in funding. They're fully funded to production. Already signed £5 million uranium contracts with U.S. utilities. Final regulatory approval hearings happening in February 2026. Production expected to start late 2026 or early 2027. Recently discovered more high-grade uranium at Patterson Corridor East. This isn't some speculative exploration play. This is happening. Production is coming. Let me show you the math. Current market cap, approximately $7 to $8 billion. The Arrow project's estimated net present value? Over $25 billion. When they start producing uranium in 2026 to 2027 and revenue starts flowing in, the market will re-rate this company. We're talking a potential market cap of $70 to $100 billion. That's a 10x from current prices. Maybe more. NexGen could literally become the next Cameco, which is currently a $20+ billion company. This is the highest conviction pick I have for 2026. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I am not a registered financial advisor or broker. Stocks are risky, and you can lose money, potentially all of your investment. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you're serious about building real wealth, smash that like button right now, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I drop videos like this regularly, and you don't want to miss the next one.